ماشي مكسيكانز راسي منعس مزيان المود ديالي ماشي. How come you don't feel far? Look, you just see tippy toes is pushing.
With myself.
Yeah. Today we're crossing to the US.
1, 2, 3. Perfecto. Otra más. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Permíteme. 1, 2, 3.
Gracias.
Y ya ponen el archivo.
We just went to take our pictures for a surprise.
Something is cooking.
Something is cooking.
We took our pictures and now we're going back to the truck. Amira Allah, it is Amira. Look how she clicked the brake, look. She barely can reach. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. So what we will do today, what's our goal? First of all, we're on this truck, Ford.
So we're on our way to the US. We're gonna go get some work done there.
2 hours later.
So part of the process هنا خاصك تجمع الوريقات كتجي لعند اليونايتد ستيتس بوست اوفيس وتعطيوك شي ماني اوردر باش بحال كتخلي الفلوس تما باش من بعد كتخلص داك الفيز اللي عندك هنايا. هادي نمبر 1. نمبر 2 خاص البيكتشرز يكونوا 2 انشز على 2 انشز. هادي نمبر 2 ولا نمبر 3. وصافي نمبر 4 هو انك خاصك تاخذ شي محامي الا كانت عندك شي صريه في جامعه وهو يسهل عليك هاد المعلومات كامله ويصيفط لك لي ديتاي اللي خاصين. ولكن مع ذلك غتبقاو معنا غنوريكم الخطوه بخطوه ان شاء الله. داكشي اللي كنعرفوه غنبارطاجيوه معاكم باش الا كانت شي حاجه حنا جاتنا صعيبه وخدت لنا الوقت نتوما اقل شي تربحوا الوقت من واحد فينا يعلم الثاني. اي فوالا دابا زغرميله راه داخله لداخل هنا. So we just got here with the truck, our truck driver, and this is basically our attorney. The whole details is a long process بزاف ديال لي ديتاي بس المشكله في كاينه هو انك خاصك تعطيهم وقت باش تقضي غرضك هو الاول. هذا هو المهم حيت كياخذ الوقت هذا الموضوع هذا و and money. So now we will have to pay first fee which is like a $600 صح؟
675, almost 700. Please, God give us
Zaghamira, she's crying about the money, huh? Funny. Well, either that or nothing. The moment you enter the US, you just start spending. You can spend money everywhere, huh? Everywhere.
It's like a little traditional, old school San Diego.
Yeah. Ring the bell. Pedro, 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 Pedro.
Pedro.
So here we don't have to record anything. Today is what?
The 26th. هيا وريك ندريو ان شاء الله.
اوكي صافي الوريقات تسناو دابا علينا. now it's waiting time ها. الويتين من بعد الوراق اللي تيجهزوا لكم كلهم المحامي وكذا وهذه ديك الساعه انت كتوقع كترجع للور هما كياخذوا الغرض كيشدوا لك الابوينتمنت كيدفعوا لك الدوسي ديالك كلشي ناضي انت عليك كتبقى غاد عطيهم الاوراق اللي مطلوبه وخلاص هما تيصاوبوا كلشي. البلان هما فيه اكبر مشكل هو الوقت. غالبا دابا تاخذ واحد 18 شهر يعني كنقولوا اقل حاجه مينيموم عام ونص وكتفع ورجع للور ونسى صافي. المهم هو تدير اللي عليك وسير قضي غرض تبدا تجهز راسك في نفس الوقت. هذه هي الخطه. الزغرميله هي راه بروفيسيونيل عارفه اش كدير. And
my husband to America.
what you think about the process when you get an attorney?
It makes you feel really safe. It's very reassuring.
It makes it easy as well for you,
And
huh?
you feel safe, like someone is holding your hand and saying it's gonna be fine.
Yeah, that's true. But it's a bit pricey.
But it's worth it.
احنا بالنسبه لنا دفعنا $5,000 5 المليون. $5,000 it's a little bit pricey. بس كيف قالت المهم هو الراحة راحة البال بس definitely there is like a cheaper options.
I think that's the average price in California at least.
Yeah, that's true. The states plays a big role. فوالا هادشي اللي كاين بالفكرة كاملة في الويتين. فوالا We go back to UAE for another 2 years, huh?
Yes.
And Safi.
UAE. I love UAE.
Well, who doesn't? It's really nice. All the papers is signed. Now we're speaking to the assistant here. She said it might take a bit long. It might not. So some documents صيفطوهم هما دوزوا شهرين 3 شهور خرجوا. Some documents دفعوهم من شهر 1 دابا حنا في شهر 6 مازال ما وقع والو يعني 6 شهور. So it depends.
Yeah.
It's nothing sure.
You and your luck.
You and your luck. And now we're in San Diego. تخيل معايا دخلنا عندهم القلب المدينة باش ناخذوا هذا باش ناخذوا الجرين كارد.
And we're so hungry. We didn't eat breakfast the whole
Yeah,
day.
and it's
We
like
woke
two-
up. We were angry. We were moody. And
Yeah,
now
a lot of
we have a
stuff,
lot
man.
of tasks. Now we
Done.
did them, so
We
we
get it
feel
done.
relieved.
Correct. Once you get it done, you feel relieved. Now you're happy, in a happy mood, and you can get to what you want to do. شنو نديرو؟ غنمشيو أول حاجة ناكلو ومن بعد نشوفو شنو نديرو. In front of us.
It used to be a Dolphins. This is one of my favorite places in San Diego.
Of course.
I love this place.
She loves San Diego more than she loves her husband.
It's such a
Hi.
Today we're in Coronado Island. I'm bringing my baby to a really cute place that I used to love coming to. It's here. Yalla, enter. Hi,
We
thank
go
you.
from there?
Yeah. Yes.
This place is very American,
In
huh?
the US, there is breakfast all day, usually the places that sell breakfast. So I'm gonna take pancakes and eggs and hash brown.
Oh la la.
Look how cute this is. You can play music here, but you need flutes. Wow, American size. So I took a cappuccino. This is my cappuccino. This is my huge glass of water. This is the biggest cappuccino I've ever seen.
This is like for the whole family here. It's huge. When you order a coffee in the US, huh? Can you finish
But
it?
they don't, I don't know. I'm gonna try.
She will try.
This is a real American breakfast. I took a pancake. Baby is very hungry.
But wow, that's a little bit a big deal.
Gracias. This is how we eat in America.
Really, really.
We don't joke around.
Willy Willy. She pulled back. She's not close to the plate anymore. قربي. الفطور عندهم بزاف. ضربتها كاملة دخلت فيها. ولكن وجبة. وجبة. شوف بعد كاسة بغيتي تشرب قهوة شو بداش. بزاف. اش تيقول لك قهوة أمريكان كبيرة. ولا بغيتي اللعيبة اسبريسو ولا كذا ولا ايطالي كتبقى صغيره. زهر ميلا غلبها الفطور. You couldn't finish, huh? But the coffee is almost there. What a beautiful breakfast. نهار زوين عاوتاني. They're very nice the people, huh? The service, they have a good customer service. تيخدموا الصراحة الناس. سان دييغو بيبي. والله إلا كتبان لي بحال المدينة اللي أنا خصني نعيش فيها. خزانة مدينة هادئة عامرة بالعائلات ما كاينش داك الصخب بحال لاس فيغاس فهمتي؟ لاس فيغاس هي عجبتني ولكن واش كيبان لكم الهدوء ولا ما كيبان لكم الريل كوفي شوب اللي كنا فيها؟
Yeah, this area,
Coronado
Coronado
Island.
Island, is very cute for families.
فهمتي الفكرة؟ دونك بالنسبة لي أنا هذه هي البلاصة المزيانة اللي غنجي نعيش فيها إن شاء الله إلا كتاب دابا و 2 years إن شاء الله. علاش لا؟ الحياة حلوة الناس كتمشى ما كتسوقلكش صور دير ما بغيتي. زغرميلة is very tiny. I can't even find her on my camera. And look our truck. Can I drive?
You want to drive?
Yeah, for the experience. Nos vamos, vamos a manejar. Hi, who you think you are with that purse, huh? Really feel like a Mexican with this car, bro. Vamos a la playa.
Look, it's baby. He took over.
I took over el maquinón.
Now I can be the real passenger princess that I am and relax
In
in my
1,000 feet,
vacation.
at the
It's the first time I drive a car with the gear here with the hand. This is very American.
Old school.
It's an old school and it's fun, huh?
Yeah.
It's fun to drive it. Wow, look, people are playing around. It's like
Living life. This is the California life.
And imagine this is a mall here in the US, San Diego. So you find all the brands. And voila. That's so cool to have like an outdoor mall
Yeah.
with a beautiful weather, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're just walking and then you find Zagarmila is here.
Ready to shop.
You can just go outside of the store and immediately you get some vitamin D with a really beautiful weather. Mira El Zagarmila, Miralla, Miralla. So it's a really nice place. I like the mall, you know. It's not as luxury as the UAE, but it is really nice. We're gonna check what they have, and they're having a sale. Ah, sweatpants.
Yeah.
Okay. It's a really nice shorts. Oh, they already have like a 40% off. It looks good. I want to buy something for the wifey. Everything is off 50%. Someone just bought some items from Abercrombie and Fitch. Hi, 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 hi. Fishy Zagarmila.
Special treatment.
Fishy Zagarmila. Look at her. She's very privileged, this girl. What did you get there? What did you get there? Huh?
I can show you. It's exactly my size.
Did you hear what she said? The New Balance fits better. It makes you look taller.
You can buy them for me now.
Baby, you're fooling. You think I'm rich?
You are rich.
I just look rich, but I'm not.
Baby.
Someone who loves Coach with an actual Coach bag, and she still wants more.
I'm just window shopping.
This window shopping, I know how it starts and how it finishes. Baby, I just got you this, but you're looking for more. This looks so nice. Huh? Huh? Baby, I just said it looks so nice. Hi, bitches are Armela. See the face. She wants to spend more.
Yeah.
More she wants.
Look at this one. Very wintry.
Hi. She brought me to Louis Vuitton, bitches are Armela.
Baby, I want this.
Yeah, it's a luxury brand, my friend. It's Louis Vuitton. هذا هو البلان. Louis Vuitton فيه لا ما يدار. الفكرة هو أن زغرميلة هنا فانسية زغرميلة. I bring more money. Whoa, why so loud? This is truck. Pickup truck جايين أنا وياه بحال شي والترى مرولين في الطريق. كنسين زغرميلة باش تجبد فلوس. She's my sugar mama. My sugar mama. Cougar, well, cougar. Lipishi cougar. She's bringing all the money so I can buy things that I want, you know. Hi, my cougar. Lipishi cougar, bring me el dinero. Going back to the lovely Mexico. What a lovely, productive day we had today with Zagarmila. Imagine now we were in the US and boom, et voila. Just like this and another one there and you're in Mexico. So you see this flag, you're not gonna see this flag anymore, you're gonna see the Mexican. What a lovely day, seriously, it was very productive. Et voila, Zagarmila is fully focused because we're entering right now.
We still have 10 days of our vacation left and so much to film and show you guys.
10 days, wow. I love vacation, I love vacation.